Morning, guys. All right, Kitchen Counter Talks, episode number 17, where every counter tells a story. So we're kind of cleaning up some of the stuff that we were working on yesterday. I needed to work or make sure I started writing down in my harvest tracker and my preservation tracker as well, just keeping track of what we're harvesting and stuff like that. So that you can find on my website. I'm cleaning up a mess from browning my carnitas, which you'll see over there. There's two large crock pots. They're 10-quart crock pots. Both of them are full to the brim of carnita meat that are going to be in there all day simmering in the crock pots. Then I finish it up. And so now I need to go ahead and clean up stuff, and I'm using my all-purpose cleaner. That's you can find on the website as well. We've got, dishes, beautiful cutting board. I also took out some grape concentrate from grapes last year that I had in the freezer, and I'm going to thaw that, add water it down quite a bit, and then put it into homemade freeze popsicles, which the kids just love, which is great. And I'm working on getting these cauliflowers in the food saver bags and gonna pop them in the freezer. I did a blanch and freeze and stuff like that. We're going to make BLTs for lunch, so I've got a couple loaves of bread I'm going to use. I was able to use up a lot of the tomatoes yesterday. I was going to make dragon fruit salsa, but I decided to go ahead and roast those tomatoes, and I was going to make a sauce, and then I realized that I need a bunch of stewed tomatoes for the Carnita recipe, so I just ended up using that. And I'm also working on some salsa verde, which is not right here where I can get a photo. Get in the camera. But so anyway, so that's what we're working on. I'm going to put the links for blanching and freezing down below, sourdough bread down below, the carnita down below, and the cleaner as well. So all the links you'll find down below. All right, see you tomorrow.